Hello friends, this is Anand Harsha. I am here with a video on data types. The term data types, data types, consisting of two words, data and types. Data in the context of computer, whatever input is given to the system, if it is stored, manipulated, and reproduce, then it is called data. It can be images, it can be sound or audio, it can be video, it can be text. Everything from the given input devices is called data in the reference of computer. And now we are considering types. Data types. Data types cannot be differentiated by the computer system, because if we give 1, 2, 3, 4 and if we give A, B, C, D to the system, all these things are same for the computer machine, because it only consider them in the terms of bits. So why we need data types and how data types are understood by the system. So now the computer languages uses data types to differentiate the given input from the input devices and differentiate them into categories. Like if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, $@. Human mind can differentiate according to their category. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second one is A, B, C and D, and the third one is $ and @ symbol. Human can understand these are set of numbers. Human can differentiate and understands that these are set of alphabets and these are symbols or special characters. Now, to differentiate these, a set of data types are introduced by languages. It depends on the computer language what kind of data type it introduces. So, if we want to give input like this, a system can understand that this is a kind of number, this is a kind of number, and this is the required number, and certain operations must be performed on that. So, using the data types, a language can determine the given input and perform certain operations on that. The conclusion here of my video lecture is that data types provided by language which will determine whether the given input is of which category, so that proper operations can be performed on it to get accurate results. That's all for this class. I think this chapter of data types help you a lot. Thank you.